guys, so I'm going to be showing you the new Naturally Curly brush by Tangle Teezer, which is designed for type 3 and type 4 hair. I'm just starting off on an old braid out, so my hair is quite tangled, and I'm taking a section in the back which I've already wet with water and added some product, and I'm taking the Naturally Curly brush on the ends and just gliding that through my hair to work out all of the tangles. Now, one of the things I did notice is that the brush glided through my hair, and I do think this is because of the teeth that are very soft and very flexible, so it didn't kind of pull or snag my hair or create any additional breakage than what I'm usually used to. I just twisted back the section because I am detangling my hair prior to washing it, so I'm doing it in sections, as you can see. So one of the things I noticed when I tried my standard wide tooth comb is that it did take me a little bit longer. I usually spend a lot more time on the ends working through. So as you can see here, it doesn't glide as seamlessly as the Naturally Curly brush. And when I compared the times, the Naturally Curly brush only took 38 seconds as opposed to 1 minute and 20 seconds. So that's definitely a good sign, because I'm always looking for ways to cut down my detangling time. So I'll definitely be using this Naturally Curly brush a lot more in the future. So I went on to continue detangling my hair, and then this is what the final results look like on my wash day. This was an unplanned twist out, but I guess because my hair was so nicely detangled, it came out amazing. Thanks for watching, guys.